What's going on, everybody? Stock Jock here, as always. Live on Twitch, 9:30 to 4 o'clock. But that's not what you're here for. You're here for the daily recap. And I'm here to give it to you. Finished the morning up just over $5,000, as you can see here. I've given some back. That's trading for you. But let's get into the trade, shall we? But first, quick reminder, come join us on Twitch every single day, 9:30 Eastern to 4 o'clock. We trade. That's what we do. Join us. Come on, let's go. Trades. Let's go now. All right, this first trade here is on GME. GME had some news out, NFT marketplace, blah, 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 blah. Popped up, failed candle over candle, dropped back down. Price actually started coming back up to where it failed before. And my thought process is what we could, let's call it a W pattern, where it played the breakout to where it failed previously to resume the overall move up. So I was playing this break, looking for high of day run, and sell into that zone. That's what it did. Entered here, exited as it popped up through here. Entry was 488 and 485, 20 contracts each, so 40 contracts total. Got the initial pop, and it didn't go right away, as you can kind of see right here. It didn't go right away, so I exited half for a small loss, and then it finally went a minute later, and I sold the rest at $5.30, $5. So nice little win.
TSLA, Tesla is seeing some bullish call activity. Shares moving here now, 717.80. Tango Sandy Lima Alpha.
Can't believe that didn't go. Did go. This next trade here is on KSPN. KSPN was on my watch list because yesterday it went absolutely psycho. And today I was just looking for a little continuation on that. And as you can see, it went all the way over $10 today. And then it pooped itself. So this one was a little bit of, it gapped down really for no reason. So I was thinking maybe a red to green on this. It looked like, I think at the time, it looked like a failed cuck, candle under candle here. That just didn't go. So I was playing this little move here, and maybe we get a move to high day, and maybe it gets into the gap. So I exited, or entered, I should say. Wait a minute. No. That's not how I played this. Okay, take that all back. Disregard what I just said. It looks like I was playing a high day break to get into this gap and to start filling this gap. I got, we'll see exactly when I ran it. I entered here at 586, or 568, sorry. And as we got that break in this move, I exited 574, 575, 585, 585, 587. So nice little win through here, and just trying to get that 10 cent, 15 cent move there. All right, this next play was a nice win on Tesla. This one, as you can see, Tesla kind of went high a day and then just collapsed. It was threatening to break. I did break low a day right there. Kind of flagged out a little bit here. This is what we call a drop, a bounce, and then we look for a candle under candle. So here's your drop, here's your bounce, bounce, and then your entry on this is right there. As soon as you break the first, or I mean the last bounce candle. So let me zoom in a little bit more so you can see this. Drop, bounce, bounce, candle under candle entry right there. You're looking to break low of the run, which is right there. And you profit in there. So this one worked out very well. It just so happened in this, you also have a big psychological level at 700 that broke as well. So you got a lot of flush out in this move. I entered in with puts. I got 20 puts at 1985, sold half at 2110. Nice win. 2150, I sold 5. 2205, sold 3. 2165, 1. 2175, 1. Really nice win here. Ooh, doggy! Oh gosh, it's so sexy. Oh, freaking A. Finally got me a juicer. So this next trade is on KSPN again. As you can see, where we played it earlier and it halted on the way up. This was just a little continuation play. In the previous play on Tesla, we saw the drop, bounce, candle under candle continuation. This is a pop, pullback, candle over candle situation. So here's your pop, here's your pullback candle, this guy right here, and the entry is the break of the last and only pullback candle here. You enter here. I entered in 709, 710. I might have played this as buying support. That's why I might have a good entry. I can't remember. We'll see when we run it. And looking for high of the run, which is right there. We got it. Sell through the pop. So entered in at 709 and 711. Sold 1,000 shares at 720. 1,000 shares at 717. 1,000 shares at 710 for break even. 1,000 shares at 714.
BZUN, Bowsen. The October 15 call is active now. Bravo Zulu uniform, November.
Can't believe that didn't go. So this trade actually did not work out for me. If I would have held in there a little bit longer, it would have worked, but could have easily reversed on me and absolutely murdered me. So here we had that drop that we played. Looking to do the same thing. Bounce, 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 bounce. In this case, the bounce was too long. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes of bouncing, which usually tells me I need to wait for 5-minute candle under candle. I had this little drop here. This is another bounce candle. I played this one. What I'm looking for here is what we call an M, as in Macy's pattern, where you have the move up, the move down, does not break low a day, or low of the run, I should say, bounces again, candle under candle, looking to break the middle part of the M, looking to break low of the run. So it kind of looks like this, right? Which is what this looks like. However, when you play it real time, when you see it real time, you'll see that this little spike here stopped me out, which rightfully so. I got the break of the M that I was looking for, this little piece here. I got that break, didn't go, and in fact, it bounced. So I stopped out. Entered in 2303, 2340 on the puts I was playing. Stopped out 2289, 2295 before freaking doing the move I was looking for. So Trading for you.
KSPN. KSPN Holdings spiking again today. $7.64 now. Halted on a circuit breaker. That's Kilo Sandy Papa November KSPN.
So I ended up playing this right. It stopped me out, and then I got right back in. And this time I'm just looking to break this horizontal here. I figured it failed to move up after, reversal players might get in here thinking, oh, okay, it didn't go here, so we're gonna get that pop up and go, and maybe break up this here. But the fact that it hit this resistance, this 9 EMA on the 1 minute here, and pulled back down, I'm thinking, okay, horizontal break, and then we get the flush, and that's what happened here. So I got right back in. Same puts, got in at 23.60, 23.50, sold at 24.50 and 24.95. So nice win through there. There we go. There we go. Market. Dump it, market. Oh, jeez. There you go, market. And that's how I ended the morning up just over $5,000. You can see it on the screen there. I had a couple more trades that kind of brought me down below that and then above it again. Just didn't get into those because they were kind of just choppy, whatever. But that was the meat and potatoes of it. If you want, come on into the Twitch channel. Link for that is down below, and all the resources that I use as well are down below as well. Come on in, ask questions. We're here to help. No strings attached. Let's go. See you guys tomorrow.